where creativity prospers and self-expression is encouraged. No matter what your passion may be, our nationally acclaimed signature programs speak the voice of the students. Reach new heights and discover new depths with our innovative Pivot program.
So in Pivot, we really try to give kids a view of what real-life engineering is like. It's a chance to explore with designing things, building things, testing them.
It's just an unparalleled opportunity.
You get to learn alongside an engineer that's been working in the field for dozens of years and really get really good one-on-one mentoring.
My teammates here are some of my best friends. We work like mad together.
If you want to inspire and shape your ideas into reality, then the arts are for you.
Our three biggest programs are digital animation, ceramics, and drawing and painting. We offer glass blowing, which is very unique. We have a surf shaping club here.
Find your focus as a future seeking with photography.
My goal for my students is to develop their skill, develop their confidence, and to develop their artistic voice. At Palos Verdes High School, it's beneficial for artists to come here because we're on block schedule. You really can begin a project or a thought, and then you can work through it and develop it.
Bring the script to life through the many productions put on by our drama department.
Coming into drama is a very open, very free space. We put on 2 main stage productions a year.
You can be in theater, in the productions and audition for it, or you can also apply to be in crew.
Build close connections to the point where it almost feels like you're in a family.
Band together in complete harmony and join PV High's music department. They offer orchestra, jazz band, and marching band. Another avenue of expression to explore is video production.
We just create our own videos, whether it's individually or with a group, and you help learn new shooting techniques, editing techniques, and how to work with cameras. It really gives you such a great experience of whether it's working with others or working on your own and time management.
Live from 205 is Palos Verdes' award-winning broadcast journalism program.
Live from Palos Verdes High School's #1 source for news.
We produce a show twice a week. We always win Best in the West. And from there, we can move up and compete nationwide. We've won the national competition at least 5 times, I think.
Yeah. You get to learn so much more about the community and your school. Everyone has a different story.
Carelessly throw away, and she never does.
Catch the wins in your sales and explore poetry with our Trade Winds program.
Every year we have a slam poetry night, and I feel like that's where really kids get to express who they are, and they get to tell it to a really wide audience. You just go up there and talk about an event that's important to you and how that's really shaped your life. At first I was really scared to do it because I am not really someone who likes to talk out loud in front of the class. But after I did it, I felt so invigorated and I just felt so excited to do it again.
Capture the story, capture the moment, and add a new page to your story with our student media departments.
We do photography, editing, Photoshop. So coming into yearbook, I think what a lot of staff will expect to do is like a lot of writing and talking to people. We also do really fun things like conventions where we go in the summer to learn more about the program. It's also where we get to win a bunch of our nationally ranked awards. Yearbook is definitely one of the best decisions I've made in high school. I've met some of my best friends. I've made some of the best memories I've ever had.
We have the student-run newspaper. It's called The Point. We put out about 7 issues a year, and it's completely student-run. The students pick the stories, they brainstorm everything, they report, they write, they interview, and they lay everything out. They take all the photos, so it's really great because it's something that's completely student-made for the community.
It's basically just a really good broadcast journalism program on how to make podcasts. The podcasts are on anything we really want to be or anything we are really curious about, so they range from high school topics to political things. By being in OOP, we're able to talk to everyone and really connect with them in a way that we could have never imagined.
Take a moment, take a breath, and find inner peace with our mindfulness program.
There are no other schools in the South Bay that offer a mindfulness class that's 4 credit. Our students report that they're happier, they're more confident, they know how to make the right decisions under stress.
Class of 2024, there's a place here for everyone in our Seeking family, because we are all kings and queens. For Palos Verdes High School, I'm Anne-Marie Sorensen.